let's see how to improve your sales, leads and purchase conversions by sending personalized follow-up messages in chatbots. So you will see a live demo of how this works, including sending voice follow-up as well. So stay till the end of how to learn how this actually works. So before that, let's see what are the benefits of sending personalized follow-up messages. So first of all, it will actually increase the better engagement. So that means personalized follow-up messages boost user engagement. It also provides you with high conversions. They lead to increased sales, improved experience, enhance the user satisfaction, and also it helps you to retain users, keep them coming back again and again. And also it provides a data insights, such as you can actually collect valuable user data as well. So without any further ado, let me show the demo of how this actually works. So before that, just to give an idea, so this particular demo is created for this particular business, Bakersfield Diabetic Connect. So this particular business actually collect extra test strips and any other kind of medical equipments from the customers and pay them some kind of money. So the flow actually looks like this. So initially, when a chatbot is triggered, we actually ask them what kind of items from the customers to sell. So they can actually choose whatever the items they have, and after that we actually ask the customer to upload the images showing their items to provide a code. And after they upload the images, we actually ask them to type done over here. Suppose if they do not type done, or if they fail to upload any kind of images, we simply send them a message. This is how the first follow-up message looks like. So it says, hi, sorry to bother you, but we need your images to provide your code for your items to get you paid. And ask them, please provide your images, and when you are finished, type done. And even if they do not respond to this kind of follow-up message, we actually send them another follow-up message, sending this kind of follow-up message saying, hi there, I wanted to reach out to one last time to know if you have 2 extra items that you wanted to purchase today. If so, please provide your images, and when you are finished, type done. So this is how the follow-up message looks like. So after they actually upload the images and type done button over here, we actually ask them to provide them the phone number. So this is how the email flow looks like. We actually ask for the phone number. Suppose if they do not provide the phone number, we send a follow-up message in less than 10 seconds asking them, did you forget the phone number, something like that. And also in another 10 seconds, we actually send this kind of voice follow-up message as well. So let me show how this actually works. And in terms of sending follow-up message, you can increase this follow-up message to even minutes or hours as well. So just for the demo, we actually have just like 10 seconds follow-up messages quickly. So let me trigger this flow over here. So I have sent this keyword BDC and triggered the chatbot. As you see, we actually received the first block over here asking customers to select whatever the strips or whatever the items they want to sell. So let me simply choose a test strip, and now it should send me this kind of message. Great, I can get you a free code, something like that, and provide instructions on how to upload the images. So let's say if I do not do anything over here, it will send the first follow-up message. As you see, it already sent me the first follow-up message, and in a few seconds we will receive the second follow-up message as well. So let me show the second follow-up message over here. So this is the second follow-up message we have, and as you see, the second follow-up message is sent as well. So now I'm going to upload some images over here and send the keyword done as explained over here. So I uploaded some kind of random image and send me the keyword done over here. So now after they send the keyword done, it will actually ask them to provide the phone number. So now let's see, I do not provide a phone number over here. It actually send them the first follow-up message over here. So let's show it. So as you see, it simply sent me the first follow-up message already, and in another few seconds it will send a voice follow-up message asking them to provide the phone number. So let's wait and see what happens. And it simply sent the voice follow-up as well, and also asking to type the phone number below. So let me play that voice as follow-up over here.
Hi there, I wanted to reach out one last time so that you could type in your number and receive a quote. Please provide your phone number so we can send you the quote and set up a pickup. Additionally, you will receive reach outs occasionally in case you had more items to sell in the future, not often.
And also simply ask the customer to type a phone number. So let me simply type some kind of random phone numbers over here and see, and it simply actually moves to the next step as well. And also we actually have a condition to track the time of the lead submission, or when they actually type the phone number. So it says, it seems you have reached out outside of the business hours, which is 9 to 5. You can accept a quote the next business day. So if they provide all this information after the business hours, which is 5 p.m., they will receive this kind of of message. So if it is within the business hours, we actually send only this kind of message. So here we also include, like, if they actually reach after 9 to 5, we include this kind of message as well. So that is how this personalized marketing works. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and you can even book a call using the link in the description. Thank you.